Hi, my name is Rus. I'm the director of Mixology at the Fairmont Royal York Hotel. Welcome to our outdoor festive pop-up bar, the Thirsty Elf. I'm going to make you a cocktail from the Thirsty Elf called the Christmoose Vacation, and something that you can make at home. We're going to start with Baileys because this is the most appropriate time of the year to have some Baileys. Half an ounce of amaretto, half an ounce of aged rum, and half an ounce of cognac. Keeping the recipe really simple, all equal portions. You're going to also want to add as your sweetener a rich syrup. Last but not least, 1 ounce of heavy cream. Straight it into our pretty mousse mug, garnished with nutmeg. And here you have it, the Christmoose Vacation.